Bryn's more active.
No, Tessa.
Look, Tessa's like up on that.
Say the word is a pudgy.
Looks like a raccoon, doesn't it? I'm gonna go push it.
Rosebud taters.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go push it over like a cow. This is our cat, so we can do anything. Adam. If you've seen our previous... Wait. Okay. There's someone over there. Some other kid. Moving on. If you've seen our last videos, you know that Tessa's nearby. The evil spotted cat. We're going to check it out. I couldn't see, so I had to scan it. Moving on. We're gonna get a close-up of it. What the? Hey! Oh my god, he's choking the cat. Okay? He's choking the cat, he's choking the cat. Don't snap its neck. We're gonna get a close-up. Yeah, werewolf. Oh, try and get away. Ah! Oh, God. What is this? Ew. Shut up! Warning. Did you see that?
It attacked my face. Did you ever see that?
I think, I don't know, I was focused on someone else. Trina, Adam, watch out. We're gonna move it slowly. Trina, retreat. Okay, I think they're going. I don't know if the camera saw this, but that cat right there attacked her. That thing. Right. Ow, nipped it. He nipped my finger. A truck. They're probably gonna think we're really retarded for videotaping. I gotta hide. Huh. I am so secretive. Walk slowly. He doesn't know we're recording. Not yet. Yes, we saw the cat get attacked. Attack you. We're gonna go see our retarded dog. Oh God. Oh God, stop chewing. What are you? You're eating pickles? I want a pickle. Well, not much to do, but in the video, so I'll end it on this one call. Whoa, watch out. Oh God. Yeah, I guess. Okay. No, turn on the TV so